Good morning, everyone. Thursday. Frosty morning. Looks like a good sunrise coming up. Welcome to D-Bomb's Garage. Got the heaters going. It was pretty cold this morning. It still is pretty cold this morning. Below 50 in this section, the other section. Other section is just above, a little above 30. So it's pretty cold inside the shop. Trying to get it warmed up. I'm gonna have to make a run, get some kerosene here for the heaters. Customer with the Trailblazer dropped off a few parts. Picked up the control arms. Something easy to switch real quick. One side on already. Well, if we take the jack up. Take a little of the pressure off. If I get that done, I'm going to get my floor swept up, get the body over to the lift, and hopefully have the body and the frame mated back up today. That'll open up a little bit of a bay, and a lot of the stuff I have to do will be in the engine bay, which doesn't have to be on the lift. Start putting the engine bay back together. Hopefully have, maybe if everything goes right, have it back up and running by end of next week maybe. I'm going to pick up a brake master cylinder for the Mustang. Hopefully that takes care of the problem. Main thing is to get my one bay opened up here. I still have to order a bunch of gaskets for the Jeep motor. Need to clean this one up again. So right now I'm just letting the shop warm up. Go back in the house and get some coffee. My coffee got cold. So with that, I'm gonna step off for a moment. I'll be back in a little bit. got the body mated back to the frame. All the body bolts are in. Steering bolt is in. Still a few more things I got to do to the back. Then I can put the back bumper on. Redo the fill neck. Get that all tightened up, put back together. And then it'll be this mess of parts going back in. It's just a matter of remembering where everything went, how it hooked up. I'll figure it out, I think. Maybe. But it's coming right along. The steering back hooked up, tightened up. So scattered everywhere. So Envoy coming right along. I'll sweep up my area here. I'll move my welding table back where it goes after I clean that section off again. Then I can move the Envoy behind the Jeep. Because again, everything I've got right now is going to be under the hood. Or in the back. As I said, I figured I could get this back done, fix the one light, and then push it. I'm going to get it pushed over there behind the Jeep. So it's coming right along, I think. As I said, as long as I can remember where everything went, I'll be all right. It's almost 8 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go in the house, get some fresh coffee, and then I'll come back. This is Dennis, D-Bomb's Garage. Like, subscribe, and have a glorious day. I'll be back after a while. Oh, I'm back. Gonna move the push Trailblazer out of the way here for now. I'm gonna push it back into behind the Jeep. I'm gonna have the front end out this way since I got all the parts over there. Start putting that back together. So let me get my forward jack. Let's see if I can't jockey this thing around. That's only me, one person, so let's see if I can't get this thing jockeyed around here. we go. Oh, that's good enough for now. Got to push back out the way. As you can get a vehicle in here, get one back onto the lift. It took a little bit out of me, so with that, I think I'm gonna take a break. As I said, I got it's all back to get frame bodies back together. Oops. Now it's time to start hooking, remembering where everything goes, get the wiring back together. get the radiator and all that, get everything put back together in the front. So I put the headlights and front bumper back on. A gentleman ordered the brake parts and the hubs for the front, rear disc and calipers for the rear. So hopefully all that should be here Saturday, maybe Monday. So again, with that, I'm gonna call it. Break time. So hopefully you enjoy this huffing and puffing moving of Envoy around. So for now, I'm out. Later all, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Thank you very much.